there's no reason for you not to exercise anymore because I will be teaching you a fabulous Bollywood Zumba style dance workout just for beginners. Yes, a step-by-step guide to the lovely Bollywood dances that you see and the exuberant steps that they do which look so difficult. I'm going to make it look all effortless yet effective. Yes, you heard that right. You're going to burn a lot of calories, probably even 200 in only 10 minutes. Let's get started.
Let's start with an easy warm-up. Let's get our arms and our legs all warmed up before we get into the Zumba routine. Because we have to burn about almost 200 calories in only 10 minutes. Of course it's possible. Keep moving. Life is all about having fun. Imagine if you were dancing right next to your favorite Bollywood star. How would it feel? Exactly what you feel right now. Yes, don't stop. Zumba is life and life is all about fulfilling your dreams. Make them come true. Live your dream life. You can do it. You have to do it. What a fabulous Bhangra move is that. Let Zumba fitness be a stress reliever. Get with it.
That we are going to learn in today's workout is of all our favorite Bhaijan Salman Khan step, which is going to help us strengthen our core, tone our arms and a lot of leg movement. Remember that movie Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya and the famous song Oh Oh Jana Jana? Let's get started.
Woohoo! Who doesn't remember Salman Khan in this famous song where he was shirtless? Yes, time for us to try it out now. Who knows, you could also be a star someday. Keep your feet moving and don't give up yet. Started feeling the burn already and your body is sweating. Wow, that's exactly what we need.
So I'm going to teach you Alia Bhatt's signature leg snatcher step, which is so easy, very effective and a full body workout, especially your arms and legs. Let's get started.
Let's get the feet moving first. Back and front and back and front, back and front and back and front. Well done. Time for some twists. Keep exploring. Innumerable options. You can also change the step according to your convenience. Yes. Get the hands moving. It's a full body workout for beginners. Don't feel shy.
Oh, you guessed it right. From the famous movie Ravan, we are going to do Kareena Kapoor's famous step. And what better way than do it and lose lots of calories. Let's get
therapy. Don't give up just yet. We've just crossed the halfway mark and only 4 more minutes to go. Yes, we can do it. Come on. No more excuses. I'm too tired, it's too cold, it's too hot, it's raining. No excuses. Keep going, keep moving that booty. And if you have already worked up a sexy glow, that's exactly what you needed. You call it sweat and I call it a sexy glow. Keep shining.
All the Rajini fans, don't miss this chance. Yes, you guessed it right. This is from the blockbuster super hit movie Chennai Express and my favorite Shahrukh Khan dance step. We are going to work on the lungi dance and we are going to learn it a very easy way, which is going to be a full body workout. Lots of calories to burn. Let's do it.
Life is a sum total of what you make of it, and Zumba, believe me, is a life changer. You're going to love yourself after you've completed these 10 minutes. So easy, only 2.5 more minutes remaining. Come on, don't give up yet.
Last but not the least, the most sought after dancer in Bollywood, Mr. Sunny Deol. Yes, I am going to teach you his signature step from the movie Jeet. Yara oh yara. Remember, let's get started.
There are two kinds of people in this world. First, who get what they want, and the other who keep thinking what they want. Make sure you're the first and not the second. Only few more minutes, in fact just a minute left before we finish our workout and feel fabulous. Don't forget to keep that smile on, because laughing while working out burns even more calories. Did you know Zumba is even more fun with friends? So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and work out every single day with me. I'm right here for all of you.